Hey guys, you want to get ready with me, so let's do this. So me and my mom are about to go out to the theater today. We're gonna see The Color Purple. I figured I would give this a try because I just got a tripod and a microphone and stuff. And you know, I'm just trying to try something different. So try this for real. It would be a little Christmassy, but I feel like it's giving Christmas meets punk, like kind of gloomy, but it's not bad. Got a tie. It's festive. A little bit of that. Don't forget your socks. I couldn't find any like black socks, so I had to deal with what I could find. You like have an outfit, you know, put together in your mind. I mean, you even try it on, like, but the day comes to where you're just like, I don't even like this outfit, or like I don't have the confidence to wear this outfit. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. I thrifted this jacket. Deréon, just for, you know, if it gets chilly. It's been raining a little bit today, a lot of it today. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Like, I was thinking this, but like, no, this right here. Oh, don't look. I'm getting a haircut soon, so don't talk about me. I kind of want to wear gold jewelry since it kind of goes with this, but like, I'm a silver jewelry kind of girl. It's like, I'm really good at losing earrings, so I gotta find a mix match. Actually, I think I might wear these go-tos. Okay, so I kind of had to accessorize off camera. So, I don't know what scent I'm going for. Ultra, you know, which one? I think maybe this one. Because this one is really strong, yeah. One spritz and you're killing people. It's just to be glittery, you know, in the holiday spirit. This is the look. You know, when it gets chilly. Oh, my bag. I need a bag for my snacks. It was simple, cute, classy, but I don't think it's big enough for my snacks.